This is a foolish bird. He's tickling his brain grape about betting his front shoe on crow racing. He's thinking about borrowing from a notoriously duplicitous payday loans company run by mallards. He'll probably end up dead on a motorway somewhere, wishing life was kind. This is a sensible bird. He's pondering about investing for the future. He's thinking about how buying shares in malleable concrete futures or patio crochet would be a grand idea, providing not only capital for his own needs and that of his latest clutch of egglings, but also supporting valuable businessications and benefiting society. He'll end up on a golden cloud, flying to Mars. Be a sensible bird. Egbert Lomack.